Welcome to the set of videos on frequently made mistakes in math and how to avoid them. Many students make the same mistakes over and over without realizing it because they never reflect on what they do after they've solved the problem or attempted the problem. Now, my research has shown that the mistakes can be put into five categories, different types of mistakes. The first, and probably the most important, is a perceptual mistake. Most mistakes arise because of a faulty perception of a situation, a problem, a circumstance, a factor, or whatever, and this contributes significantly to poor performance. Conceptual mistakes, excuse me, mistakes made by students because they do not understand the underlying concepts, principles, and processes. Factual mistakes are mistakes that students are unable to or fail to recall, for example, the definition of a term or the formula to be used or the units of measurement, etc. Then there's the procedural mistakes, for example, in calculating or simplifying a mathematical expression. Students have failed to recall the acronyms such as FOIL or PEMDAS or BUDMAS that will help them simplify algebraic expressions. And logical thinking, many students fail in this regard also. So I'll show you examples of each type of mistake and how to avoid them so that come exam time you'll be able to avoid those mistakes and gain maximum marks in your CXC test. Now, you learn about these mistakes through videos that you will see on your screen, and you have complete control of the video. You can pause the video, replay the video any number of times, fast forward or speed up the video, whatever. You can also you'll be also given links to go to my YouTube channel where there are examples of other videos so that you can boost your understanding of CXC mathematics. The whole idea is that you need to avoid making those mistakes. You need to check the mistakes you've made, and you need to avoid them. You need to avoid those mistakes, and you need to pay more attention. Yes, you. This is designed for you so that you can avoid those mistakes.